What's up guys, welcome back to me Plumber. So today I'm gonna guide you guys how to unlock checkpoint on the Max Internet ROM. So this is the new feature we just update on the software. So as you can see, when you are running script, this will have a rate that being banned. So this account having the status checkpoint phone, right? And we can unlock the checkpoint. Just highlight the account that you want to unlock the checkpoint right here and click the right mouse. You will see that there will be a line unlock checkpoint right here, and then this is the configure where you can setting. So the first one, to unlock the checkpoint, we need to rent the phone. So basically we will click the add phone and we will choose the site. It's called votb.com, and then you need a token. So where to get the token? So the firstly you can go to the votb.com right here, the votb.com, and then you will sign up the account. Like example, they will require captcha. Okay, so this is my VOTB dashboard when you sign up successfully. So where to get the token? Firstly, you need to deposit the money. So you can use, let me translate to English. Okay, the firstly you can use deposit right here. So they support the three platform. The first one is the Bank from Vietnam, the second one is the USDT. So you can use the USDT right here and click select the USDT that you want to deposit. Okay, click continue, and then click checkout. Okay, they will send you a QR code to scan and deposit the money. Okay, when you have the money, you will go to the API documentation right here. So this is the token, right? This is the code. So all you need to do that, just click it. So it's copy the token and then go back to the software and pass it to the blank. Okay, and click save number. You need to click add mail, and then we need to image. So I mean the image, you need to have the image. So in my folder it has image already. Okay, this is my image. I will input to unlock the checkpoint. Okay, and this is the captcha, by the way. This is the captcha. So to get the captcha, you will go to the captcha.com. Okay, when you sign up, this is the dashboard where you will sign up the captcha and then deposit the money, just like the votb.com, and copy the API of token right here. So this is my API token. So where to deposit the money? It will in the Binance right here, and then deposit the money. Okay, it have two options: Bank from Vietnam and also the crypto and PayPal, by the way. Okay, and then when you finish all, click save it. And remember, if you don't want to run Rossi, you can setting don't change the IP, or if you want to use the Rossi as well, click use Rossi. But right now I don't want to run Rossi. I just want the original IP address, and then click save it. So they will opening the browser like this. Okay, click allow accept. Okay, so they will enter the mobile number, and then they will auto input the code as well. Okay, so this is, they have input the phone number already, and then they are waiting to send the code to get the OTP, and just wait around 60 seconds. They will get the OTP for you. So this one I already have the code already, and then it's submit already, and this account are already back on Israel. So they will set unlock checkpoint set right here. It's happening in the description. So that's how we're gonna unlock the checkpoint, by using the Max Instagram drone. And let's wait these two accounts. So this account have the code already. Okay, they will click next, and it will unlock the checkpoint set. back on Israel. Okay. Okay, and let's write this one. So we have unlocked to set 3 account. The other account cannot because my balance is don't have my balance is 0 right now. If you want to unlock more, you can deposit the money more. And just wait for this account to get the code. That's how, yeah, and that's how we're gonna unlock the chatbot by using the software. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any information about, if you have any question about my Instagram account, just tag me with the information below. Thanks for watching.